Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In our chapter number 6, and this is the lecture number 3, we will discuss some long questions. For example, define kinetic energy and prove its equation, which is K is equal to half mv square. And the second one is define potential energy, also prove its equation. Potential energy is equal to mgh. So let us start our lesson. I hope you will give attention to this lecture. Define kinetic energy, also prove K is equal to half mv square. Definition is, as we know in our previous lecture, the energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called its kinetic energy. So consider a body of mass m moving with velocity v. The body stops after moving through some distances due to some opposing force, which is known as friction of force. So the body possessed kinetic energy, that is K is equal to F into S. Here its initial velocity is v, final velocity is 0 as the body stops due to some opposing force. According to the Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. So value of a is equal to minus F by m, which is opposing force. This sign indicate opposing force or force of friction or restoring force. So putting all these values in the third equation of motion, 2 into minus F by m into S is equal to 0 square minus v square. So v square is equal to minus 2 Fs by m. Minus and minus are cancel with each other. So value of Fs is equal to mv square by 2. That mean Fs is equal to half mv square. So at the first stage, Fs is equal to kinetic energy. So in place of Fs, we can write Ke, which is kinetic energy. Hence we prove that kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. And this is the equation of kinetic energy. Define potential energy, also prove Pe is equal to mgh. So definition is, the energy possessed by a body due to its position is known as its potential energy. Let a body of mass m be raised up through height h from the ground, height h in inverted commas. The body will acquire potential energy equal to the work done in lifting it to height h. So potential energy is equal to F into h. F is equal to W, which is also a force. So potential energy is equal to W into h, and W is equal to mg. So putting the value of W mg, we get potential energy is equal to mgh, and this is the equation of potential energy. Students, I hope you will give attention to these two long questions, and that these topics are very easy, also important according to the board point of view. So I hope you will learn these two questions by heart. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. This is the slogan of DT. खुदा हाफिज़.